I got a topic for you, okay? This is all about copper. No, not the stuff you want to wear, the jewelry on your hands or your wrists. It's about copper piping. Why do you care about copper piping? It's the stuff that runs through your house and holds all your water, okay? This is really important. But it's also stuff you can use if you're an artist, okay? There's a lot you can do with copper. Why do I know about copper? I've been remodeling homes for many years, and I've come across jobs where I've had to do the work myself. I had to move pipes, I had to set up a new sink, I had to set up a new toilet. Sometimes you got to go inside the walls and you got to sweat the pipes. What does that mean? Sweat, that means you got to take a piece of copper, you got to take a piece of solder, heat them up, expand it, and make that perfect seal. That's what sweating means, okay? When we come back, I'm going to show you all the tools you need to do it. But first, here's a piece of pipe if you've never seen one before, okay? Now, this has been lying around my garage. It doesn't look like the copper you normally see, but if you just go like this and clean it off a little, that looks like copper, right? Okay, it's just a dirty pipe, but you can still work with it. When we come back, I'm going to show you all the tools you need and how to do this. It's a lot of fun. Stay tuned.